how to actually land an airplane in the Hudson River, which, if you see the movie, is one of the most difficult things to do, right? So we're going to go ahead and turn down, that's the road to the tram plaza, which we're not taking for some reason. What's going on, Ben? Oh, okay. All right, we're getting redirected real quick, ladies and gentlemen. We're going into Sullivan's Truck Repair Shop. Everybody, stay seated and hang on to your belongings. This is a little bit off of our tour path. I'm not quite sure what's going on yet. As soon as I know, I'll let you know. But Ben was told to come in here. We're going to rendezvous with somebody. I've never been in here before. They got some sort of tow truck there with a grappling hook to your left. That's really cool. And then, whoa, we have like a military battle truck over here. What's going on? Okay. Do you see any? I don't see anyone. If you see anybody, let me know. Oh, there he is. Hey, hi. Excuse me. Yeah, we were just sent in. Would you actually mind telling the camera so we can all hear? Oh, great. Thank you very much.
My name is Roman Pierce. Pleased to meet you. My buddy Hobbs asked us to stash you from Shaw for a while. So we brought you in our secret spot.
All right, look guys, we're gonna keep Shaw from finding you, but to keep you safe, we need your help. We don't want the syndicate tracking us here, so put away your cameras and turn off your cell phones. One flash or one ringtone could give us away.
I need y'all to take this real serious.
Okay, pull into the next bay and we'll meet you in the...
All right, this sounds pretty serious. Let's go ahead and listen to their directions. I think they want us to blend in with this dance party, so don't put on your 3D glasses. But if you have any dance moves you can do while sitting down, go for it.
Everybody out! This is the FBI! Turn that music off!
Roman Pierce, FBI, don't move. Bill? That's right, party's over.
You know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm not...
You're under arrest right now.
Ladies, just back up a little bit. You got it. It's lightweight.
First of all, I don't work for you. Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. Cop suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours. Hobbs, escort this novice out.
Let's go, Cookie Puss.
You got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle of...
See what I'm talking about?
Call you back.
Man.
It was on vibrate. Shaw traced us. Ops can't hold him forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Driver, move that vehicle. It's about to get real interesting. My Mona Lisa's all warmed up right next door. Roman, grab your truck. I need you and Letty ready to roll.
Put on your protective 3D glasses. Put those glasses on. So you might have to make a quick getaway. I want you ready for anything. Just make sure you're wearing your glasses, staying safe, and hanging on to your belongings. Some good friends out there drinking.
Which one of you is the witness? Speak now or you all get fried!
This is our turn.
After them!
Okay, guys, it's showtime. Come on, come to the left. They're going faster. Letty, hook him up.
Look out!
Ladies and gentlemen, was that Fast and Furious or what? Let's hear it! Great defensive driving then.
Hold the job, everybody. You protected the witness and you can resume breathing.
You know it's crazy out there. You guys work hard.
No, my Mona Lisa got messed up a little bit, but it's all good. We got through it. Y'all held us down. Appreciate it.
They say the bigger the family, the stronger it is. You guys did good out there. And you're welcome to join our crew anytime.
That's what I'm talking about.